Hello friends, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you a website which is probably the best website I've created so far. I've been working on website designing, you guys know, and I've made so many different kinds of websites, but this particular one is very close to my heart. Not only because it involved a lot of designing aspects, but also everything on this website that you see is made purely using Elementor, which I love using, right? So this is one which I wanted to share with you guys so that you can take an idea of what all Elementor can do for you. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so this was a company, a digital marketing company situated in Haiti in US. Okay, so they wanted to have this website with this name use communication, and I created this with a left side menu. Okay, you can see it is a left side menu. It's obviously fully responsive on the mobile as well. So if you can open this on mobile, you can see a regular website on mobile, but all this animation that you can see is more effective or more visible on the desktop. That's why I'm showing you the desktop version. You can obviously visit this site and find out how it looks on your mobile phones. Alright, so let's see the landing page. This is the landing page. Okay, it has some animation, some mouse movements as well, and you can see some animation at the back of this logo as well. Okay, alright, so there are some things that you can see on this page which, like this moving text, these are not available on Elementor as of now, but I've used extra CSS, extra coding for this, and which I could have added directly on Elementor because they have used the Elementor Pro version. Okay, so that is one, and you can see in every screen there is some kind of animation. Okay, some of it I didn't like too much, like this movement of these buttons, but then these are things the client was looking for, right? So those are also added. Okay, so you can see every section or every screen is different. Okay, and I've used fluorescent colors. You'll see all the 4 colors that I've used in this design, and yeah, so there are some more animations here with content. Now this content was provided to me by the client, so if you have your own content you can share, or we can create contents ourselves. Okay, so these are all links to different pages. All right, so here are some extra animation on the icons as well, and we have the buttons here which will take you to the individual pages. All right, going down, same kind of animation here as well. This is a testimonial area where you can see this growing bar, right? It shows you how many testimonials are there, like that. Okay, this is quite a modern kind of design, you know, you can see in modern websites. All right, and you can see the background image which is not moving right now. When you scroll it will not move, like that, and these images move when you scroll. You see, you can see they're moving when I'm scrolling down or up. All right, so here we have some extra screens, and then we have this get in touch or contact us thing. Now this contact us section I've added on every page so that the consistency is there, and when someone wants to contact, they can have the information right at their fingerprints, right? Okay, so these are the different footer areas, footer widgets you can see. So there's some animation here as well, and then we have some animation here which takes us to the different pages, and this is a Facebook widget. Okay, all right, this is the copyright, and you can see I have a link to my website which takes you to my website. Okay, all right, there's some social media links, and one good thing about this website is that the entire website can be converted into 3 different languages, which is Spanish, French, or English. Right now it's in Spanish, and if you click on this it will become French, right? Everything becomes French, or you can keep it in English. English is the default one. Okay, so that option is also available. Now let me take you through the menu. So menu, as you can see, is on the left. It's a vertical menu. First of all, it's a vertical menu and it's on the left side of the screen. Click on this, you get this. Okay, so 5 major pages: services, about us, blog, and contact us. So let's click on services and see the services page. So the services page landing looks something like this. It is simple, but it is a lot of you can see modernistic looks. All right, there is some hover effect on this, and you can see this image showing us to go down, and we have this section which changes color. It's kind of a LED background kind of animation. Okay, some of these are done using CSS, as I said, and mostly these are done all by Elementor. Okay. All right, again on this page also, each of the sections are a little different from each other. Okay, you can see the animations are different. These are different sections that they had. Okay, so these are the section where again the color is different. These are the fluorescent color that I've used. If you still go down, you can see the image, the back, and here there are 4 segments and they're all moving with the movement of the cursor. Okay, up, down, right, left, they're also moving. This is one of the best sections that I've designed. I love this. Okay, again the contact us section. Okay, next is the about us. You can go from here as well. You can click on this. From the footer is the about us section, or about us page, you can say, and there's a contact the owner of this page, right? And we have different sections here. You can see the colors, contact us. Okay, there is some hover effect here as well. Okay, this section shows you all the 4 different fluorescent colors that I've used. These are all looking nice. And finally the context section. All right, next is the blog. Let's see the blog. So the blog looks like this as of now. It's a very modernistic look. It does not look like a normal blog that you have seen in most of the websites, right? So they have only 3 posts as of now. You can see the posts are very old. Okay, April 5th is the last one that they have posted, and I actually created this website like last year, end of last year, and since then they have not posted much. So if they post more articles, they will show up here. Okay, all right, as of now it's just looking like this, and again the contact us and the contact us page. So there is a dedicated contact us page as well that you can see on your screen right now. Okay, there's some animations here, something flowing above the animation. Then you go down, there's some quotes from the owner of the page. Okay, and the contact section. On the menu card, you can see that on the left you have some social media icons. Okay, and those are there in the contact section as well. So that is pretty much of about this particular website. I hope you liked it. This website is something, as I said, is one of the best websites that I've created. Obviously it has only 5 or 6 pages, and there are multiple links to different pages, and we're probably going to add those pages soon. So if you're looking for a website like this, or if you want to know how to create something, a landing page like this, please get in touch. Okay, so that's all I had in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, please let me know. And again, I create this kind of websites very commonly for my clients. If you need anything regarding websites using WordPress, please get in touch. Thanks a lot. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.